Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Tata Creek, British Columbia, a small community located in the southeastern part of the province. Nestled in the beautiful East Kootenay region, Tata Creek is surrounded by stunning natural landscapes, including rolling hills, lush forests, and the clear waters of the nearby creek that gives the town its name. The region is part of the larger Rocky Mountain Range, which provides a stunning backdrop and a diverse range of ecosystems. Historically, Tata Creek has been influenced by the mining and forestry industries. These industries played a significant role in the development of the region, bringing people and economic activity to the area. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Tata Creek offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Tata Creek, British Columbia.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!